Ashe County is, in my opinion, the best place in the world to live. I've been in the Navy, I've been in a lot of places.
From hiking to backpacking, canoeing, and seeing everything that we have to offer in Ashe County, it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen.
There is no place that represents this area and the nice folks that live here better than the community of Shatley Springs.
This place gives you the real experience of the people, the locals that work and live here, and you won't find that hardly anywhere else.
Shatley Springs was named after Martin Shatley. On one hot summer day in 1890, as he was passing through, Shatley decided to dip his hot, blistered hands in the cool spring water to soothe them. Hours later, he claimed the water miraculously cured him of a skin disease that had plagued him for many years.
Well, it just is spring fed, and so it's all gravity fed. It comes from the mountain. It's good, just good clean water.
We talked about the water yesterday. Yeah, there's a different flavor to it. All the healing powers that they say. Yeah.
People come and get the water all year long. In fact, I keep a light on all night long because lots of people come at nighttime if they're going to get a large supply.
In 1958, Lee McMillan purchased Shatley Springs. It doesn't really matter if you believe in the water's healing powers or not. One thing for sure is the food here is unbelievable.
A great family-style restaurant with just good old home cooking.
You get family style and you just sit here and you just eat till you can't eat no more. and what's left over, the ham and biscuits, they let you take it with you. So you got a ham biscuit for later.
Well, the country style breakfast is something we can fix and put on the table, and people serve themselves from the food we put on there. That's one way I look at it.
Breakfast is definitely the favorite. I mean, we always want to test the family style for dinner, but we just come for breakfast every time. That's what we do. We go into a food coma after that, but yeah.
Biscuits and gravy, and bacon and sausage and ham and tenderloin, baked apples, home fried potatoes, grits, strawberry preserves, whatever you want to drink.
Everything here is fairly traditional. So the sausage gravy is all homemade. The red-eye gravy is something you'll find almost nowhere else.
And what exactly is red-eye gravy?
Red-eye gravy, I have never had it anywhere else except here at Shatley Springs. I had it last time I was here. My understanding is that it's made from burnt coffee and ham stock or ground up ham. I don't see any ground up ham in here, but you're supposed to put it over like biscuits with your gravy, and you put it on anything, I guess. But I'd never heard of it or never seen it anywhere available till I came here. So red-eye gravy.
Once you've finished your meal, you can retreat to your cabin that you've rented on site, or you can relax in one of the rocking chairs on the front porch.
Well, the rocking chairs are a big hit. We have more people come here than we can immediately seat, and a lot of them enjoy sitting out on the porch in the rocking chairs, listening to the music, and then they like to sit there sometimes after they've eaten before they leave.
You can rent cabins if you want to for one night or a week or however long you want to stay, and they're situated out sort of along the pond. We have some gift shops.
It's just really pleasant to be here. Like, we took time to enjoy coffee this morning and carved out time to have really good food. I don't know, I think it's really important to take time and enjoy the things that mean a lot.
I think the thing that we have that's different is the fact that we make people feel like that they are at grandma's house and that they're comfortable and there's no pretense and they can come in here, relax, enjoy themselves. I'd say that's probably the thing that makes us most different.
Shatley Springs Inn is located at 407 Shatley Springs Road in Crumpler. That's in Ashe County. The restaurant is open daily from mid-April through the end of November. For more information, give them a call at 336-982-2236 or visit their website at shatleysprings.com.